Now we are going to see WhatsApp communications, sending WhatsApp using templates, chat with one-to-one contact or lead. We have a single conversation view, sending a bulk WhatsApp from the list view of contact, lead, target, etc. Sending attachment like image, document, and all, and we can have a complete history and it's customizable. So you can see this is again on contact detail view. You can see before the number, the WhatsApp icon. Just click here. If you have a ready template, you just select any of them. I have just selected the one and I can click on send. You can see the message sent successfully. If it has been not sent, it will change to red. I can show you. If it has been not delivered, it will change to red. If it is sent, so you can see sent. Let's see once the concerned person reply. I just reply to this WhatsApp, so it will. You can see now this is the incoming. I can same way I can reply here. I can type and click on send. If I reply back, you can see the conversion view, how we can communicate. Same way, if you want to send any kind of media or upload document or video, we can just select any of them and you can easily send it by clicking on send. So you can see this is the image which we sent just now. So the same way we can also able to send any documents, any videos, etc. And whatever WhatsApp we receive, we also get notification in the notification of CRM. You can see this both notification is available in the notification bar. The same way we can send a bulk WhatsApp. Just click on view contact. You can select any or you can select all contact whom you want to send a WhatsApp. Just go to the send bulk WhatsApp. You can see all the numbers. Now you can either select the template, any of them, and then you just click on send and it will be sent to those people which we selected. We can also send a WhatsApp from the list view as well while clicking any of the number. So this was our conversation. I can again send thanks and we can select. So we have entire conversion view where we can see whatever communication done in the WhatsApp. We can also have entire log available in the CRM as well for all the incoming send and receive messages. This is how it is easy to communicate using WhatsApp in CRM.